Warm welcome to everyone joining. Thank you for being here. Go ahead and get yourself ready with a notebook. You can grab a pencil or a pen, whatever you choose to write with. It's fine. This is math from the void. Math coming at you out of nowhere. And today we have another SAT style problem from algebra. This is very similar to a previous question that we've looked at, actually. If you already saw that video, you should be quite quick in this. Otherwise, just give yourself about 2 minutes or so, maybe a minute and a half to try to solve this problem. You can pause the video, take your time. Then when you're ready, you can unpause the video and see how we did it here. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a pretty similar algebraic structure to another video that we saw, where it would be nice if we can just square those things, because a squared plus 1 over a squared, that's exactly what we're looking for. So a student might want to do a plus 1 over a squared. But we have to remember this idea of what I called the freshman's dream. We have to remember that x plus y squared generally does not necessarily equal x squared plus y squared. In fact, if they're both non-zero, then yeah, it's not gonna happen. Okay, so it's not as simple as just squaring the 5. It would be really nice if we could just say, hey, that squared is 5 squared, and there's our answer, 25, done. That is not how we're going to go about this. We have to be a little bit more careful. I'll leave that up there. We have to be a little bit more careful on how we use this equation. We're still going to use the equation, and we are still going to square it, but we're going to do it carefully and properly. Remembering that this is going to turn into a squared plus 2 plus 1 over a squared. If that's not clear enough, just work it out. You can distribute, double distribute, or FOIL method, or box method, or whatever they call it, for multiplying two binomials together. And you'll notice that every time we multiply a to the 1 over a, cancels to a 1. A times 1 over a cancels to a 1. So if we add those together and get 2, this is going to be equivalent to what was on the other side of that equation, 5 squared. So we get that a squared plus 1 over a squared is 5 squared minus 2. That's 25 minus 2, 23. And that is our answer. Yeah. Well, much like the problem which this was related to, there's a bit of a bonus challenge. This question didn't require you to solve for the variable. Neither did the other question. But it's a bit of a bonus challenge to try to solve for the possible values of a. Right, in case you were curious, like, what number does a have to be if a plus 1 over a equals 5? Like, a first guess might be 4, but then 4 plus 1 over 4 is not quite equal to 5. But if you say 5 plus 1 over 5 is a little more than 5, so it's, I don't know, it's maybe somewhere in between there, right? It's maybe somewhere like 4.75. I don't know, I haven't tried this myself, but you can try to solve it, and perhaps you get more than one answer. You might get a positive and a negative. Does that seem reasonable? No, it doesn't seem reasonable. Anyways, that's enough blab out of me. I'll catch you guys next time.